Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will increase by $1.26. Automotive diesel is up 18 cents and 57 cents will be added to the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Now, kerosene is costing 48 cents less. Propane will decline $1.62 and butane is down $2.34. Oil prices traded higher today, this after the Energy Information Administration reported a 9.9 million barrel weekly decline in U.S. crude supplies. Oil for delivery in March rose 24 cents to settle at $52.85 a barrel. The government's plan to establish a catastrophe bond on the international capital market is in limbo. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark admitted yesterday that the bond initiative hasn't taken off because investors aren't taking risks. The catastrophe bond was expected to be Jamaica's fifth layer of protection against extreme weather events. But since the COVID-19 pandemic, the initiative has stalled. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark explains why.
But with the pandemic, what happened is that we got a call first from the World Bank. As you know, we're doing it with the World Bank, where they informed us that the markets closed. We were planning to place this in April of this year, but with the pandemic and the elevated risk due to the pandemic, the persons who provide new coverage, went into shelter, and they didn't see the markets reopening. We are unable to place that instrument because there's no provider, there's nobody stepping forward wanting to take on new risk in the pandemic. Or so we have been informed in writing by the World Bank.
The catastrophe bond would have provided an additional coverage of about $130 million US, but all hope is not lost. Dr. Clark disclosed that he is still in dialogue with the World Bank to get the bond established.
And I've been badgering them and calling them every few months to get a prognosis, and the earliest that we are likely to be able to go back into that market and get coverage is going to be first quarter of 2021, and we hope to be able to do so.
Already in place are the emergency allocations made every year in the national budget, money is set aside in the contingency fund for natural disasters, and the country's drawdown rights from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CRIF. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.48. The Canadian dollar is selling for $117.17. The pound sterling sells for $203.58, while the euro is going for $184.10. The JSE index lost 12 points today, and the junior market index is down 9 points. Among the winners were Lumber Depot, Siboney Group, T-Tech, First Rock US dollar shares, and Mayberry Investments. Now on the losing side were Consolidated Bakeries, KLE Group, CAC 2000, Dolphin Cove, and JMMB Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.